Hi, this is James with Inside Bars, a real-time alert system. Our proprietary scanner scans hundreds of stocks in real time, finding unlimited trading opportunities for both traders and investors on multiple time frames. We send real-time alerts through our website and through email, alerting subscribers with the scanner updating trading opportunities minute by minute. Inside Bars can be an incredible tool for finding opportunities in the market by highlighting key moments of equilibrium and identifying tipping points that often lead to breakouts or trend reversals. Come check us out at www.insidebars.com for a 7-day risk-free trial that includes educational videos that teach you what an inside bar is, show you how to use our notifications to create strategies, and then execute powerful trades. Hey guys, it's James with Inside Bars. It's Thursday, July 13th. Going to do a review on a alert we sent out. Today we sent out a 30-minute inside bar alert on this candle here. An inside bar, again, is when the high and low, the candles within the previous range is high and low. Once we broke bear and broke the low of the mother candle, I really like this play. First of all, before that bear break happened on the inside bar, we had this 30-minute uptrend line, and once it was violated here and broke to the downside on this bounce, I was looking for weakness. And if I change this to the 5-minute chart, let me change it to the 5-minute chart here. You can see, if you look at the 5-minute chart, you can clearly see why there was weakness and why that inside bar worked. So what happened was, after some strength to open the day, we had this pullback here. And after this pullback, I saw this is the new consolidation low here, and that low was at 1404. And on the bounce attempt, we were unable to get back to the day's highs, and then we pulled back and broke that consolidation low, showing me even more weakness. Another bounce attempt, couldn't break a higher high yet on the 5-minute, and then you saw this all-out weakness here on that 30-minute inside bar break. So all this weakness here, and that's where that weakness came from. So those 30-minute bars, you have to sometimes zoom into the smaller time frames and see why they work out. And looking at this 5-minute chart, it was very clear that we had this pullback low here, and once we broke that pullback low and then was unable to bounce and break a higher high here, we saw that it was still weak. And then once we broke this, then that's when bears really stepped in and really took AMD down. So that's something to be aware of when you look at the 5-minute time frames, of seeing where the consolidation low is. And on any bounce attempt, if you're unable to break to a higher high, then what you want to do is obviously set a higher low above the recent consolidation. And AMD on the 5-minute chart unable to do that, and then on a bounce attempt failing again to set a higher high and setting a higher low. And then once we broke that new low of consolidation, that just showed how much weakness there was in AMD today. And clearly that 30-minute inside candle bear break had some great gains, took gains at the end of the day. Don't like holding it tomorrow, and the main reason why is because we're using the 30-minute chart on the bear break. And the 30-minute chart, the reason why I exit is because the 30-minute chart RSI dipped below 30, and once it dips below 30, that to me is oversold. And even though the bounce is not significant, I want to protect those gains. You never know what's going to happen overnight. Could be news released. And anytime I have big gains this big on a trade, I am going to lock in my profits. And even if I miss more profit, I'm fine with that by minimizing my risk. This game is about being consistent, not trying to find whales where you profit huge every day, but being consistent in your trades. So have a good night, and I will see you tomorrow.